Hey guys, welcome to another video here with SirMalo Performance. My name's Yvonne. I just currently bought a new vehicle. This new vehicle is a 2007 Silverado. It's a single cab, it's a short bed, it is a V6. The whole objective to this project, which I'm still trying to come up with the name, hopefully I'll figure that out later on this evening, is just clean it up, make it a smooth ride. Yeah, lower it, put some rims on it. Still undecided what kind of wheels, but I definitely got to clean it up all the way around and then try to sell it. I don't know if I'd rather to sell it here on YouTube or on my Instagram page. And if you guys haven't been following me on my Instagram, I opened up an Instagram account it's called SirMalo Performance. Same thing. Nothing's changed. Everything's the same. Go ahead, you guys can follow me there. My subscribers, thank you. I appreciate all of you. But go ahead, jump into Instagram. Follow me at SirMalo Performance. I'll put a link down below. I think you guys will like it because I can try to snap pictures a little bit quicker. I don't think I'll do a whole lot of videos on the Instagram, not a whole bunch, maybe just short clips here and there. But the bigger, longer videos will be here on YouTube, just going over the whole projects. So like I said, this is a 2007 Silverado. Right now I'm making my way into town, Phoenix. And I will be buying a lowering kit. I'm going to do hangers, shackles for the rear, and I'm undecided to do spindles on the front. I mean, I'm trying to do this as budget as possible, trying to keep it budget happy for you guys that are at home, that work 10-hour shifts but still can't make enough money to pay bills, and you're like, I really want a sweet ride. This pretty much is for you guys. Hence the truck. I know these little trucks can go for a lot, but this is a V6. I didn't get the V8 on it, so. But either way, these little things are expensive because they're a hot commodity. Everyone and their mom wants these little single cab short beds. And I decided to tackle on the project. You guys know Project SirMalo if you guys have been following me. That's an extended cab Chevy Silverado 2004. I got an LY6 swap going into it. Big cams in there. It's not a huge cam, but it's definitely a decent sized cam. And with this one, no engine work, just making sure that it's a daily, just back and forth driving. But I just want it to look good, the aesthetics, the outside, the headlights, the taillights, you name it, it's going to get it. This project should be done by the end of the week, the latest next week. Definitely going to be a nice truck. Follow it on Instagram. I still got to come up with the name for it, guys. It is a black truck. I'll try to show and upload more videos about it. But once you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys will see the truck. I posted it as soon as I got it last night. And I think you guys won't be disappointed with the outcome, because I think I got an idea of what I really want to do with it. So hopefully you guys stick around. Stay tuned for more of this video. I'll try to add more and stack more. And then we'll see how it goes today, okay guys? So I'm making the drive. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're almost here at Auto Culture. That's the name of that company. They supply lowering kits, airbag systems, accessories, you name it, they got it. Performance stuff. It's my first time here at this store. I'm gonna give them a try, see what they offer, like all the stuff that I just said. But let's see what they got for my truck and see what kind of prices they have, because remember, we're on a budget, okay guys? And I'm gonna do this all for you guys. You guys on the budget? Yeah. Went to Auto Culture, got myself a hanger and shackle kit. So far I've installed the shackles for a 2-inch drop, a leveled look on it. We're gonna check that out right now. Okay, let's do a quick walk around. Okay, like I was saying guys, let's check out this truck. So 2007 Silverado, heavy duty front end, that's how it came. No swaps, nothing like that. This is completely original. I'm gonna get rid of those headlights, guys, don't you worry. I'll get rid of those rims, but there's that leveled look on the back. Look at the interior. Interior is alright, not too bad. It's a single cab, no tonneau cover, but that's the 2-inch shackles already installed. I have the hangers. I'm going to drop the front 2 inches as well, but that way you guys can check out this truck. So definitely going to do the headlights. I'm going to drop it a little bit more, and I'm debating whether to do 22s, 24s. Let me know what you guys think I should do. But it's a pretty clean truck. I like it. And yeah, just let me know what you guys think, and I'll keep uploading more videos. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And here's this bad boy, projectsirmalo. I'll be working on her right now. I just wanted to level that one out, and she will be for sale as soon as she's finished. You guys can shoot me offers. If you guys want to give me 20 bucks for it, it's not too bad. I'll take it. Just make sure I get 2 5s and 1 10, okay, guys? But yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe.